Oh, hayo, kininayo. Di ba kakabsat no nagpudot ti panawin kay agpaspaswit tayo laang. Paspaswit ang aki inanawan na nila kay. Kanong mamati nga mayabak ka no ti angin. Yes, it is. In the Philippines, we just whistle. So the air coming.
Keep whistling, baby, because I don't feel no damn air here.
It is coming.
Yeah, I'm sure. Where?
I'm calling them.
Well, it's not coming. No, still nothing.
You want me to call the air?
Yeah, go ahead. Here, air.
Yes, like that.
Jasper will come, but not the air.
Yes, like me. Come, make it out. Okay na. Partakan niyo. Tanay mapudpudutan kami na eh.
Halika na.
Partakan.
Bilisan mo.
Partakan niyo. No? You know what is partakan? What is it?
Hurry.
Woo! Galing, huh?
Oh, come here.
Yeah. Come on, call the air. Say it, partakan niyo.
But you come here.
Partakan niyo.
Partakan nyo.
Umay kayo.
What?
Come on, umay kayo.
Oh my kayon.
Umay kayo.
Oh my kayon.
Yeah.
It's like, oh my kayon.
Bastos.
At Lord.
Huh?
Go get a damn fan and plug it in and let it blow on us out here, baby. Oh, here it comes, baby. It's here. It's just blowing the wrong way.
Otot.
Here, there it is. Put it from the wrong side. No, partakan nyo.
That's what you call the air here. Partakan nyo.
Partakan nyo.
Kininana.
Yeah, Nana's right. Nana.